the character of the guy criticizing me to be corrupt and immoral. My God. Makalintal. Wala ito. In TV and everywhere else you look, he is just an election lawyer to. Mayaman to kasi ang mga kliyente niya mga politiko. Otherwise, he is a nobody. Yung mga opinion niya, as if he is the only one who is the lawyer, and he would like to presume that what he says is always correct. Excuse me. Pareho tayo abogado. Pareho. Pero sa bagay, 75 lang ako. 75 man lang talaga ako noon pa. First grade ako, 75. Second grade, 76. Ang pinakataas ko na abot